children of the air. Swoop and fighting feathers fly. Leave the hue and cry behind and far below. In the room behind the door, like the ghost who walks the floor, I go searching for a trace of wing or beak, and feel so weak for a while from your passionate smile. Hear the wind beneath the trees, it's the soundtrack of my dreams. The song it sings is of the earth and sky. All the sleepers who awake know too well the poison taste. It's the sweet disease that carries me away. Cold fountains in the dark, pass beneath your shining auto, part of me. It's crystal too.